Hello everyone, today I have my November Slay Glam Box. I still have not received my September one, I believe that it was. Mailed them and such. On their Instagram, they say that their shipping department is trying to get everything together and such, so hopefully I'll get it soon. But anyways, it's wrapped like this. The first thing I am pulling out is a lipstick from Appeal Cosmetics. I'm not sure on the color. Oh, I think it's called Exposed. I'm not sure if I have this one already, so I'm not going to take it out of the plastic. Then from Kaylin, there's this Pure Lust lipstick pencil in Plum. What looks like it's not as it's not as dark as I'd think a plum color would be. Next is from Manicadar, and it's a Perfect Eye Candy Priming Shadow Stick. I can never get these dang things open. And this is what it looks like. It's loose in there, so yeah, it's broken. Put that back in there. It's just that. Next, we have something from Mercari, and it is an eyeliner in Orchid, which I'm glad it's not in black, since most subscription boxes give us black eyeliners all the time. See if I can, has plastic around here too. If you're hearing noises from the bottle babies that aren't actually bottle babies anymore, they're I have this little playpen for them upstairs next to me right now. Oh my gosh, this is annoying. And this probably won't upload to my computer for me to edit it, so it's just going to be in the video. And this is what it looks like. Very pretty. Ooh, that is really pretty. That's what it looks like. And the last thing is from Allure USA. It's a cake pop palette. Looks like has a nice mirror. And here are the eyeshadows. They have glitters in there, so I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this because I don't use glitters all that much. So might just give this away or whatnot. But anyways, there was the Cake Pop palette, the Kaylin lip pencil, the Appeal Cosmetics bullet lipstick, the Manu Kadar priming shadow stick that was broken, and then the eyeliner in Orchid. And I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.